In this video, I want to show you how to add multiple files in a directory to Global Mapper at once. In a situation where you have multiple files that you want to add to Global Mapper, I'll show you how to do it at once. For example, in this folder, I have some series of files. You may have as much as possible. You may have it in hundreds, and you want to add them to Global Mapper at once. And this one is essential because if you are adding it one by one, you may miss some files. So instead of adding it one by one, whereby you can miss one of the file, it is very essential that you add all the files at once from a directory. So to do that, make sure you put all the files inside one folder, that is inside one directory. So after you have put it inside one folder, just as I have done, I put all the files in my dem folder. So now go to Global Mapper. To add it to Global Mapper at once, come to Files, click on it, and you will see Open All Files in a Directory Tree. Click on it. This will prompt you to navigate to where you have that file. So in this case, it's on my desktop inside my tutorial folder, and the folder where I have all the files is in dem. So I'll select them. Once I click on it, it will be selected. Then I'll click on OK. So it will bring these notifications which says enter the mask for the file to open. Use the default of star to open all the file. Separate multiple masks with a space. So just leave it at default and click on OK. Then it will bring this notification again. Just click yes to all. So in few seconds it will load all the data. You can see it. It has loaded all the data here. You can see it loaded it at once. So instead of loading it one by one, whereby in case where you have a bunch of files or a bunch of data like 100 or above, instead of loading it one by one, which is time consuming and also prone to mistake, this is a method to load all the data or files from a single directory at once into Global Mapper. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.